Hello, my name is Wilma and today I'll show you how to choose the wheels for my animals. Before we start, subscribe to my channel, press the like button and leave a comment or question. I will try to answer everything. Thanks. I've picked up glaze pieces, including this little friend here where I showed how to glaze the mouth. The glaze turned out a little too garish, but otherwise he's really cute. The teeth are nice. You can see the jewels well in the mouth. Now it's time to find the right wheels. I cut out quite a few wheels in advance. Whenever I make an animal, I of course think about what kind of wheels could fit and glaze them. But often it doesn't fit 100%, and so I always have sets of finished wheels to choose from if it doesn't fit. I'm not a professional and therefore do not always know in advance how the glass will be. Also a reason to keep a glaze book, but more about in another video. With the animal I had actually imagined wheels in ultramarine, but this is too much. It doesn't look calm, it makes it even more unsettled. That was also still a consideration was a turquoise, but it doesn't work out. I made this one a long time ago, but I will probably use a darker body and especially a round one. This fits from the shade, but does not make it clearer. This is also available in dark blue, also not quite as nice. In the final analysis, it boils down to black wheels. That fits best. This is what I will look when the wheels are on. From my short experience, it is recommended to make wheels in black and in white. If everything doesn't fit, black and white usually works. It's still hectic due to the glaze, but the black wheels calm it down. Hope to like the little monster and see you next week. Bye.